Pro Home Improvement Roofing Service offers expert roof shingles installation in Hampton, New Jersey, providing durable and attractive roofing solutions for residential properties. Our experienced team installs high-quality shingles designed to withstand New Jersey's changing weather while enhancing your home's curb appeal. We ensure proper installation techniques, including underlayment and ventilation, to maximize roof performance and longevity. Whether you're building a new home or replacing an old roof, we deliver reliable craftsmanship and attention to detail. Homeowners in Hampton, New Jersey trust Pro Home Improvement Roofing Service for professional shingle installation services that offer long-lasting protection, improved energy efficiency, and a clean, polished appearance. Call us today. Pro Home Improvement Roofing Service, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a roof shingles installation near me? You can stop looking. You found Pro Home Improvement Roofing Service. Can roof shingles withstand severe weather? Yes, quality shingles are designed to resist wind, rain, and snow. Pro Home Improvement Roofing Service installs durable roof shingles in Hampton, New Jersey that provide reliable protection against local weather conditions. How long do roof shingles last? Asphalt shingles typically last 20 to 30 years, while architectural shingles may last longer. Pro Home Improvement Roofing Service installs durable roof shingles in Hampton, New Jersey to ensure long-term protection and performance. What is your service office for roof shingles installation? Hampton, New Jersey? Our local roof shingles installation Hampton, New Jersey office has served Hampton, Clinton, Glen Gardner, Washington, Oxford, Lebanon Township, Califon, Clinton Township, Union Township, Roxbury Township, Stanhope, East Amwell Township, Reddington Township, Mansfield Township, Warren County, Hunterdon County, New Jersey. Where is your Pro Home Improvement Roofing Service located? We are located at 96 NJ 173, Hampton, New Jersey 08827. Our phone number is 908-676-7201. Visit our website, https://aproofer.com/HamptonNJ.